is having a play date with the outdoor cat, Siamese Cat, and Pepper is having a grand time. He loves to frolic with Sulla, who is a Siamese cat that runs the neighborhood. Pepper is peeking at him from around the corner and absolutely loves to frolic with our Siamese called Sulla. Sorry, my window is not that clean from all the rain we had. Pepper, where'd you go? Where are you? Oh, Pepper's hiding over here in the corner. Come on. What are you doing? Hello. Come see Pepper. Come see Sulla. Hi, Sulla. Oh, you're so beautiful. Yeah, there you go. Go see him. Go see him before this film ends. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're happy. We're so happy. We're jumping. We're jumping. We're jumping. We're frolicking. We're playing. Okay, we got to say goodbye. Oh, there goes the rug.